Okay, swimming.
Just card.
What?
I'm just gonna buy my food.
Food, your food?
Yeah.
I will cook you.
No, it's okay.
Why?
I don't have to. I don't want to eat alone.
I just, clean up our last night dinner.
Oh,
The
the
Korean
chicken.
chicken. Yeah, I just finished that. I wanna make you like new dinner, fresh
But you're
dinner.
not gonna eat with me.
You don't wanna eat that, right?
Didn't eat because I want to eat together.
I just edited a video.
Or at least you can just tell me that you had your dinner already.
See?
I'm home.
Look at the floor.
I know it's so
So
clean.
shining. Oh.
That's a rat! Why do you want me to feed me rat? You're trying to poison me.
Poison you.
Yeah, you're trying to make hantavirus here?
because of we cooked ratatouille.
Yeah, suddenly you just asked me. You want to eat ratatouille? First thing came to my mind. What's ratatouille?
It's the name of the bread. Oh.
Ratatouille. Like we're talking about what do you want to eat. I'm thinking you're gonna suggest like a good food.
Yeah.
And you just said, you want to eat ratatouille? I was so shocked, like, what? Ratatouille? The rat? Is that rat, right? I'm gonna search that.
Yeah, okay.
You're trying to feed me ratatouille. You have to go outside and find the rat first. Good luck finding it. You're gonna take a shower and then go out to find rat.
Capture it.
Yeah. Because you said you're gonna make ratatouille.
Oh, that food will be fresh. So fresh.
Ah, you're trying to kill me. I had a dream last night.
Uh-huh. What
And you
about?
told me
Yeah.
we can't see each other anymore.
Uh-huh.
And now, and I came back to work, said you're gonna make me dinner.
Yeah.
And then you just asked me, you want ratatouille? And I'm just shocked because what? You want me to eat rat? Oh, that's why. That's why I had a dream we can see each other anymore because you're trying to kill me. Don't eat rat.
Okay, I'm gonna cook.
No, I don't want to take a shower. I will watch you cook. Just to be sure.
I gotta go out
No, I'm not gonna.
to capture ingredients.
I'm gonna skip dinner.
Oh, that's good for your diet.
Yeah, it's better than
Yeah,
than to
that's
eat
good.
rat. It's better to starve than eat rat. Look at it.
Okay, look. Just show me. Hey, Ratatouille. Show me what you got.
No. Go. Where's the music? Okay, I get it.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm Ratatouille.
Why are you?
Let me see my practice.
Oh.
Let me see.
Alam niyo, nakipag-split dahil...
Madami kami napapagkasunduan. Magkasama kami bumuo ng pangarap. Hanggang sa tumagal, may mga bagay na hindi na kami nagkakaintindihan at palagi na rin kami nagtatalo. Naghiwalay kami
Look, older
last
than now.
year's November. Nasa long distance relationship kami kaya mahirap din para sa amin habang
You are famous in Philippines, right?
No.
Where is you?
I'm still dancing. I just don't.
I don't worry about copyright. What do you wanna eat for dinner?
Anything but not ratatouille. It's not food.
What?
It's not food. I know what you're thinking.
Yeah, here is your ratatouille. This is ratatouille, okay?
Okay. Not the rat.
There is no red there.
Mmm. So good.
Tastes like a rat.
No, it's so good, babe. How to eat that? Mmm.
Nice, right?
Mmm, so yummy.
Yeah, I put chili pepper.
Flakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one. Cause you like that.
Mm.
Originally, they put the beef
Mm.
in the sauce, but
okay.
we don't have beef here, so I just put shrimp
Mm.
instead of the beef.
Mm. That's a big calorie. One calorie. Mm. Calorie.
What?
Don't blame me if I get fat.
I never blamed you as you fat.
Or don't diss me when I get
I never diss you, babe.
You diss me every day.
You diss by yourself. No, I'm okay, whatever you're fat or not.
I'm so full right now. You made me finish all of that. My Valentino bar. Don't show them! It's our premium. Payment, right? Just wait, I'm so full.
How many times?
10.
10. Can you do that?
No. I will.
You will.
I will, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
You can do that.
I can.
Okay, make it.
I will make it.
You will make it.
I will make it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh.
Get your goal. What?
I said, let's get fat together.
What?
Let's get fat together.
Why?
You said we're in this together, in this journey, right? So, you have to do that for me.
I'm just curious about why you try to share negative things.
It's not negative. We need calories too in your life.
You said like fat together.
Yeah, it's good.
For real?
I just worry about you.
Oh, so you ended diet right now?
I just look out for you.
You give up the diet plan?
Looking out for you.
So right now, just tell me,
What?
gave up diet plan?
No, it's just I want to share my calories with you. You're gonna get fat no matter how workout you do. You're gonna get fat because you made me fat.
What? How to?
You put a lot of like salt, like sugar, ketchup.
You lied.
No.
Lied. You
Like
liar.
the sauce you made. It made me fat in 3 weeks. I'm not like this. I'm serious about that.
Right now, you blame me?
Yeah.
I just preparing
Before
good
you
food
came.
for you.
You put a lot of sodium, like chicken cubes, like that. That's why. You made me like this.
You are so mean.
No, it's the truth. You made me fat. Oh.
Hey, babe. Every day we out together.
And I don't eat breakfast. You made me eat breakfast, then I have to eat lunch, then dinner too. I don't eat dinner. I usually skip breakfast. I just eat the lunch.
So that you getting fat, the reason is me, right?
Because of
You say like that?
and you made me a lot of good food, so I cannot stop eating. Now, how can I attend the wedding like this? What if my dress can't fit anymore? How can I attend the wedding? It's important. You made me fat.